Hi students, so let's continue exercise 6.2. So one question I taken from the exercise 6.2, question number 5, solve the following equation. This is the equation given, 5 power x plus 1 plus 5 power 2 minus x is equal to 5 power 3 plus 1. What you have to do? We have to find the value of x. Yes, so let's start. 5 power x plus 1 can be written this way, that 5 power x into 5. Yeah, because base same power will be added, so if you solve it, it will come 5 power x plus 1. Now this plus 5 power, see the 5 power 2 minus x है. अगर इस तरह लिखा हुआ है 5 स्क्वायर अपॉन 5 पावर x, so you can write that 5 power 2 minus x, right, as you studied in the previous class that about index. So 5 power 2 minus x can write upon 5 power x equal to 5 cube, means that 125 and plus 1 126 will be equal to 126, right. Now this is the LCM. Suppose here upon 1, this is the LCM. So by LCM solve it, can write that 5 power x into 5 power x, can write 5 power x whole square into 5 plus 5 square whole upon what is a 5 power x equal to 126, that, right. Transpose this 5 power x, transpose that, so it will be written 5 power x square into 5 plus 5 square, means that 25, right here 25, transpose this will be equal to 126 5 power x. Clear? Transpose left side, so this 5 right before that, 5 power x whole square minus 126 5 power x plus 25 is equal to 0. Yeah, no doubt in this. This is the looking the quadratic equation, that यह quadratic equation है. अगर और इसको सिंपल में देखना हो या आपको सॉल्व करना हो, so you can write that let 5 power x is equal to y. In the place of 5 power x, what here I am going to write that y. So we can write here that 5y square, here y square minus 126 y plus 25 is equal to 0. This looking the a y square minus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is in the quadratic form, that no doubt in this, that if we compare with the standard equation ax square या ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we will find that a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 126 and c is equal to what is 25. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 126 and c is equal to 25. So now you have to find the y value by using the formula. What formula? That x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have to use this formula. Right. To find value y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So why written, x not written? That because if quadratic equation in variable x, so we write that x. जैसे कि अगर ऐसा होता है x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if this will be in this form, then can be write that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. But this is in the variable y, so writing that y is equal to that. Now put all the values. b minus 126. So y is equal to minus 126 plus minus under root minus 126 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 25. 5 into what is 25 overall upon 2, a value what is 5 here, correct. Now simplify that. So y is equal to minus minus plus under root. You have to find out the square of 126 that. So let's find out the square of 126. Find out the square of 126. So y is equal to 126 plus minus square of 126 will be 15876 minus 500. 4 5 are 20 into 25, that will be 500. If you subtract, you will find that y is equal to 126 plus minus under root 1537 upon what is 10. Yes. So again we have to find a square root of 1537 that. 1537 that. So by 2 7 ja 15, oh wrong that, 15376. We subtract the 500 from 800, so 376. 15376. 1536 that. So let's check that what will be square root of this. So if you check it, so 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja and 2 8 ja. Again by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 7, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja. Again 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, then 2 9 ja 2 2 ja 2 2 ja, yeah, 1 9 2 2. Again that by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja and 2 1 ja 9 6 1 that. It will be reduced by, it will be not reduced by 3, neither 9, neither 7. Okay, 20, 170, 30. Let's check by 31. So 31, 31, 1, 1 3 ja, 3, 3, 1 ja 3, 3, 3 ja 9, 1, 6, 9, yeah, 31. It will be 31. So what will be 2 into 2 into 31? 124 that. We found that square root of 15376, that is equal to 124. So we can write y is equal to 126 plus minus 124 whole upon what is 10 that. Now two values here coming, that one is plus, one is the minus. So one by one we have to take that. If you are taking plus sign, so y is equal to 126 plus 124 overall upon 10 that. 126 plus 124 upon 10 if you are taking the positive. So what will be that? That will be 250 upon 10, right? 0 0 cancel, that will be equal to 25 that. It means y is equal to 25 came that. फर्स्ट वैल्यू नेगेटिव के लिए देख लेते हैं. फॉर नेगेटिव व्हाट विल बी y is equal to 126 minus 124 upon 10. It means that 2 upon 10. It means that 1 upon 5. That this will be cancelled by 5. So 1 upon 5. So two value came, y is equal to 25, y is equal to 1 upon 5. But this is not final answer that, because we have to our what is the equation given in the variable x. So we have to find x. What we consider 5 power x. हमने क्या पहले कंसिडर किया था 5 power x is equal to what was that? Y. It means that if you are taking y here, so in the place of y, what you have to write it? 5 power x. y के स्थान पर आपको ये लिख करके पुनः सॉल्व करना है, x का वैल्यू निकालना है. So let's check that what will be that. चलो चेक करते हैं. If I am taking that y is equal to 25, yes, so y value what taking that? 5 power x. So here what we have to write that 5 power x is equal to 25, right? Or 5 power x is equal to 5 square. 25 means 5 square. Base same, so power what will be? Same. So we can write here x is equal to what will be? 2. So this is the value of x scheme that. If taking that positive wala. Now take the if negative taken that. If negative taken mean that this value y is equal to what came that 1 upon 5. But y what we selected that 5 power x. So we have to write here 5 power x is equal to 1 upon 5. Right? Now simplify that. 5 power x we can write 5 power minus 1. Yes? This 5 will be go up, so it will be sign change, power sign will be change that minus 1 that. Base same, so power what will be same that. We can write here x is equal to minus 1. So second value came that. So this way we found two values of x. One is the 2 and one is the minus 1. So this was method to solve this type of question. So student, I am going to take that one more question. Now this is the question number 6. Solve the following equation. X square minus 5x plus 7 whole square minus 1 bracket x minus 2 other bracket x minus 3 into is equal to 1. That is question number 6. We have to find the value of x from this quadratic equation. First we have to convert this into type of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c. पहले उसमें हम convert करते हैं. If we multiply these two bracket that है आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? First you write that this x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square minus, if we multiply this, so x square minus 2 minus 3 5 and minus 2 into minus 3 that is 6. That's आएगा. Your answer will come that x square minus 5 x plus 6 is equal to 1. Yeah, this will be your result after the multiplication of both bracket that. Then see these both are equal? No, not same that. These two are same but these are different that. So we have to arrange this 6 in form of the 7. कैसे arrange करेंगे? This 6 we can write that plus 7 minus 1 plus 7 minus 1. अगर 6 को हम लिख दें 7 minus 1, any problem? No problem that. So we can write this 6 is equal to 7 minus 1. So this will be equal to x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square minus x square minus 5x plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yeah. Now x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square. देखो this will be, I will take that in one bracket and minus will be out. So because due to this minus it will be break the plus. Or we can arrange it this way to understand more that to make them more clear. So you can write x square minus 5x plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 1. Any problem that? Any objection? No objection my dear. Why objection that? Because same things having that. Now if you open the bracket, so this will be minus, this will be plus that. So open this bracket that. So we can write x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square minus x square minus 5x plus 7 and this minus minus what will be? Plus is equal to 1 that. Right? Okay. This 1 will be cancelled that. This 1 will go that side, it will be cancelled, it will be become that 0. So can write x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square minus x square minus 5x plus 7 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट विल बी 0. समझ में आया? दिस y माइनस विल गो दैट साइड, राइट साइड. सो 1 minus 1 व्हाट विल बी 0. सो आई रिटन हियर 0. ठीक. अच्छा ये बताइए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है कि नहीं है? दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आर नॉट? लग रहा है बिल्कुल है. कैसे है चेक कर लेते हैं. इसको हम y मान लेते हैं. लेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू वाट. हमने y लिख दिया तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई, और यहाँ पर हम 0 लिख दें. क्या दिक्कत है? व्हाट विल बी प्रॉब्लम दैट? इफ यू कंपेयर so a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. right? clear? ठीक है ना? now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 0. then we have to apply the formula. Which formula? y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon what? 2a. we have to apply this formula. put all the values in this. y is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root b square means minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a means 1 into c means 0 whole upon what? 2a. 2 into 1 that is equal to y is equal to 1 plus minus what will be here? ये 0 हो गया, बचा कितना? 1 whole upon what is 2 and under root 1 that is 1. so he can write that 1 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to what? So two values we found that plus minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. 1 plus minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so take that one by one, positive and negative. You have to not forget about this thing, that because we have to find the value of x. So let's remove this. No. So if positive taken, so y is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2 that is equal to 2 upon 2 that is equal to what will be 1. ठीक है? 2 upon 2 will be equal to 1. It means y is equal to what will be 1. First came if taking the positive. If taking the negative, so y is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 what will be? That is equal to 0. So second came y is equal to 0. Now by taking this, because y is equal to this thing, in the place of y हमें लिखना है क्या? ये इक्वेशन is equal to 1. Then again we have to solve. Okay. So let us start that. If y is equal to 1, if y is equal to 1, it means that y value here taken that. So x square plus minus 5x plus 7 is equal to what will be 1. ये y है, is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, y value here is equal to 1. Yes. Now transpose that. We can write x square minus 5x plus 7 minus 1 will be equal to 0. Yes, हटाओ इसको, no place here. Now x square minus 5x plus 6 will be equal to 0. right? Now compare with the quadratic equation that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to what is? C value 6. right? Now what you have to do? We have to apply the formula. Which formula that? Quadratic formula. So we have to apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon what? 2a. Put values in the place of minus 5. In the place of b minus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6. Yes. So minus minus upon 2 into 1 Now next line, minus minus plus 5 plus minus under root, what will be 25 and minus 24. Yes, simplify, and that will be equal to 5 plus minus here under root 1 upon 2. Clear? Now if taking the positive, what is this? This is the x value, this is the x value, x value. If taking the positive, so x is equal to, ये कितना हो जाएगा, अंडर रूट 1. सो चलो इसको हम अब 1 लिखते हैं यहाँ पर 1. तो 5 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 6 upon 2, 2 3 या 1 value came that x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now take the negative. If taken the negative, so x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 4 upon 2, that will be equal to 2. So x value what came that? 2. Second answer came that, right? अच्छा, कितने आंसर मिलना चाहिए? How much answer can gain that? Can get that? There will be 4 answer that. क्यों? Because square. If you multiply, that will be 4 times that. Highest power will be 4 times. So there should be 4 answer of this. So 2 found, 2 more. So for the 2, now we have to take this y is equal to 0. हमें y is equal to 0 लेकर चलना है. Then remove this. For the y is equal to 0, we have to remove from here, then use this thing that. So if y is equal to 0 taking here, so y value what taking that? X square. Now if y is equal to 0 taken that, it means that x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means this is equal to 0. Now compare with quadratic equation, that standard form that. So a what will be 1, b what will be minus 5 and c what will be 7. कोई डाउट? नहीं डाउट है. Now apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root, what is b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Put that value. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value 1 into c value 7 overall upon what will be 2 into 1. A value here 1. Correct na? Minus b plus minus b square minus 5 whole square minus 4a1 c7, right? Okay, now let me remove this, क्योंकि उधर 2 वैल्यू मिल गया है. x is equal to 2 and 3. Okay, a little lengthy but easy. X is equal to 5 minus plus minus plus, then plus minus under root, what is minus 5 whole square mean 25 minus 28 overall upon what is 2. So x is equal to 5 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2. 25 minus 28, that is minus 3. So if minus 3 upon 2, that is coming that imaginary, because minus 1 is equal to I. X is equal to 5 plus minus iota root 3 upon what? 2. So how many values here? 2 values that. 1 plus, 1 is the minus. So 2 here and 2 there. How many roots came that? 4 roots came that. Yeah. This was the method to solve, and these 4 are solution. This 2 here and 2 there that. Okay, student. So, easy, not difficult, only little lengthy that, but easy. So take one more question. One more questions I will give. So question number, this is 13. Solve the following equations. Under root x plus 3 plus under root x minus 3 is equal to 6 of exercise 6.2. Now let's see how will you solve that. This is under root. So first you have to remove the square root. That how? By squaring both sides. If you square both sides, so can write x plus 3 plus x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 square. What I did is squaring both sides. Now square that a plus b whole square, the formula I have to apply that. That advantage we have to apply a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Square of root, what will be? Same number. Here also will be. So can write under root x plus 3 whole square plus under root x minus 3 whole square plus 2 under root x plus 3 and under root x minus 3 equal to what is 36. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be equal to x plus 3. X plus 3 plus x minus 3 plus 2. See, under root we can write that x plus 3 into x minus 3, x square minus 9 is equal to 36. That a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 3 ka square, what will be? 9 here. No need to write the bracket here. 3 will be cancelled. X plus x, how much? 2x. Plus 2 under root x square minus 9 is equal to what is? 36. 2 take the common, divide in 36, it will be 18. So 2x plus under root x square minus 9 is equal to 36. If this transpose 2, so it will be upon 2. And upon 2 means what will be? 18. So we can write x plus under root x square minus 9 is equal to 18. Transpose this. So under root x square minus 9 is equal to 18 minus x. अभी भी under root रह गया. Again we have to squaring both sides. That same process we have to apply. So if we apply same process, so here what will be? X square minus 9 is equal to 18 minus x whole square. Right? Now apply x square minus 9 is equal to 18 square plus x square minus 2 into 18 into x. What is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 9. No doubt in this. X square minus 9. 18 square. 18 square will be equal to 324 plus x square minus 36x. Now, so this x square having the same sign will be cancelled. This 9 we have to transpose that side. So we can write transpose this side, no problem. Minus 9 minus 324 is equal to minus 36x. What will be? Minus 333 is equal to minus 36x. Minus minus cancel. The x will be 333 upon 36. X is equal to 333 upon 36. That. So correct. 18 18 जा 324 सही है ना 18 18 324 no doubt in this $336 so it will be reduced or not reduced that let's reduce that what will be 9 if you are cutting by 9 so 9 4 ja 9 3 ja 27 and 9 7 ja yeah correct right x is equal to 37 upon 4 now cannot reduce more than this that yes so we found that x is equal to 37 upon 4 this is the result of this equation so student this much is enough for today now next day next exercise will be started some more question you take on the basis of this and try to solve thanks all of you